Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. In video classes for 9th standard, last video we see exercise 3.15 in algebra. Now we are moving to the next unit. Unit 5 coordinate geometry. We are skipping exercise 5.1 because it is a graph exercise. In this exercise we are going to see mapping the plane and coordinate system. We will see it later. Now we are moving to the exercise 5.2. In this we are going to learn about distance between any two points. Some important formulae. First one, distance between two points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 is given by the formula D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is, here P is one point. We just named it as x1, y1 because the first term in the ordered pair represents the x coordinate and the second term in the ordered pair represents the y coordinate. Similarly, you have one more point, that is Q of x2, y2. Because this is the second number in the x coordinate and this is the second number in the y coordinate. So we named it as x2, y2. We have to find the distance between the two points using this formula. Distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Second one, the distance of a point P of x1, y1 from the origin O 0, 0 is OP is equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square. In a graph, this is the origin O and this is x dash, y dash. If you have the point P x1, y1 and this is origin O, this belongs to the value of x2 and this belongs to the value of y2. If substitute those values in the distance equation, you get x2 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to 0 means you get OP is equal to root of x1 square plus y1 square. Collinear points. The sum of the distance between two pair of points is equal to the third pair of points. Right angle triangle. The sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of the third side, which is the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. This is a right angle triangle ABC which is right angled at B, that is 90 degree. So AC is called the hypotenuse of the triangle. BC is the adjacent side and AB is the opposite side. If you add opposite square plus adjacent square, you get the hypotenuse square, or otherwise the sum of the two sides opposite plus adjacent, it gives a value of hypotenuse. One, the midpoint M of the line segment joining the points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 is M of x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Sixth one, the point P which divides the line segment joining the two points A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 internally in the ratio m is to n is P is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Seventh one, the centroid G of the triangle whose vertices are A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 and C of x3, y3 is G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Example 5.4, which is in page number 198. Find the distance between two points minus 4, 3, 2, minus 3. Solution. The distance between the points minus 4, 3 and 2, minus 3 is distance formula D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. If the 2 points is given, we have to mention the coordinates. First one belongs to x1, y1 and second one belongs to x2, y2. So now you substitute the value of x1, y1, x2, y2 in this formula. You find the distance between the 2 points. So x2 value is 2, which is equal to root of 2 minus x1 value is minus 4. So minus into minus plus 4 the whole square plus y2 value is minus 3. Again formula you have minus negative sign and y1 value is 3. So minus 3 the whole square which is equal to root of 2 plus 4 is 6 square plus minus 3 is minus 6 the whole square which is equal to root of 6 square is 36 minus 6 the whole square is also 36 which is equal to root of 36 into 2 times. So if you taking the square root of 36 you get 6 root 2. Exercise 5.2 which is in page number 202. First problem. Find the distance between the following pair of points. First subdivision 1, 2 and 4, 3. Solution. Distance between the points 1, 2 and 4, 3. This is the distance formula. D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So already we see one example formula. So this one belongs to x1, y1 and this is the value of x2, y2. Now substitute the values in the formula. x2 value is 4 minus x1 is 1 the whole square plus y2 value is 3. So 3 minus y1 value is 2 the whole square which is equal to root of 4 minus 1 is 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 2 is 1 the whole square which is equal to root of 3 square is 9 plus 1 square is 1 which is equal to root 10. You have to mention it as units. So distance D is equal to root 10 units. This is the distance between the two given points 1, 2 and 4, 3. So similarly in the first problem, second subdivision and fourth subdivision is a homework problem which is also belongs to the same page number 202. Find the distance between the following pair of points. Second subdivision 3, 4 and minus 7, 2. The answer is 2 root 26 units. And fourth subdivision is 3, minus 9 and minus 2, 3. The answer is 13 units. Now we are going to see first one, third subdivision. So here they are given the variable a, b and c, b. In this also you have to find the distance between the two given points. So solution. Distance between the 2 points a, b and c, b is equal to the distance D is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this one belongs to x1, y1. This is x2, y2. So which is equal to root of x2 value is c minus x1 value is a. So c minus a the whole square plus y2 value is b minus y1 value is b. So b minus b the whole square which is equal to root of c minus a the whole square plus b minus b is 0. Now you get root of c minus a the whole square. Square and square root gets cancelled. So d is equal to c minus a units.